So guys, welcome back. If you are new to this channel, before you go, I want you to subscribe. Click on that subscribe button, like and share. Now a quick analysis on our USDJPY we will be analyzing. As you can see that now for the past 4 days now, we've been having a bullish move on our USDJPY. That is exactly what we'll be having. Our USDJPY is now going bullish. Now there's one thing that I want you to know. We would want to be starting something like called a retracement. That is, we want to start having something like a retracement. We see yesterday our price fails to push up, and today our price is actually opening bearish. Now we are going to analyze it. This is our USDJPY. We are going to analyze it on our USD index. As you can see that since our USD index has pushed up, it has hit one of our key level here that we've just highlighted, and we would have something like a retracement before we continue going bullish. That is exactly what we are looking for. So since we are going to be having a drop for today, which is our USD index, our USD pair itself will actually be having a drop. Now on our USDJPY, we can see our USDJPY, we would want to start having something like a drop back, probably to this our key area here or below it. Let's see. We are actually going bearish today. That's exactly what I wanted to know. Our price has opened bearish. It's on the red and it's actually going to be going down. So today probably we'll be going to at least 50 to 70 pips, if not higher than that. Bearish will be going bearish today. So let's try and see. We can see if you have to go bearish to this our key level we just marked, that will be 99 pips. That is, we are going to be falling at least 99 pips today, at least 99 pips today. As you can see, our price is actually dropping. We are going to mark here as if our price, on our 4-hour time frame, where our price wants to retrace on our 4-hour time frame. You can see that is actually ranging here. So we would want to be seeing a fall back to this this area here, which is our support. We would want to see a drop before you continue going bullish. So definitely when we are seeing a drop, we should be having at least 94 to 99 pips drop today. So for today on our USDJPY, we're actually going bearish for today.